Hello everyone, my name is Mansi. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are making very colorful eyes as it's holy time, full of fun and colors. So let's splash some colors. So if you are ready, let's begin. First step is to prep your skin. I'm using L'Oreal Revitalift Face Serum. After preparing my skin, I'm filling up my brows taking an eyeshadow from palette. Here I am using flat shader brush to fill up my brows. Now taking the clean spoolie, I am cleaning the excess. Making my brows more precise and sharp, I am using concealer on my brow bones. Taking the damp sponge, I am setting the product well into my skin. This way I am covering my eyelids also. Taking white shade from Revlon Photo Ready Kajal plus Brightener. This is basically dual stick. It has white color also. Link for this kajal is already given in my description box. The reason of white base under my shades is to make my colors more popped up. This kohl has soft and creamy base which easily melts on the skin without leaving it rough or cakey. I am using outside my waterline too. I am picking colors from the palette Hilary Rhoda, which is very inexpensive and the colors are very nice and highly pigmented. I am dividing 4 sections of my eyelids, which can be a rough idea, starting with the lightest shade, which is yellow, to darkest shade hot pink. You can dip color till you get desired results. Dipping my brush in green shade, I am applying in second part of my eyelids. I am using flat shader brush from Vega. Here my favorite color, which is blue, very pigmented also. I need one stroke of this color to match the pigmentation of other shades. And the last but not least, that's hot pink. One thing to keep in mind is to follow the shape of your eye while applying shades. But you can cover your eyelids if you have hooded eyes, means the area of your eyelids are comparatively smaller. And to blend the colors together, use a round blending brush and blend 2 shades each time. Like I am blending yellow and green first, then green and blue, and after it blend blue and pink together. This way the colors will not shift but merge beautifully. Same way I am doing with my waterline. All 4 shades will be applying in small strokes with small flat shader brush. As always, here's a tip. do not wear too many accessories. It is best not to wear more than 3 accessories at a time. Now, taking the concealer, again I am cleaning the outer corners of my eyes. This way you will get the sharp edgy outer corners. Taking Maybelline gel liner, I am applying in my waterline to complete my eye looks because kajal is the most attractive thing to wear in our eyes. Taking the back side of my brush, which is in round shape, I am doing my tight line because I am quite sensitive with the brush. Before applying falsies, I am curling up my original lashes and applying mascara, so my falsies would get mixed with each other. Do not add falsies from the inner corners of your eyes, but from the center of your eyelids. Highlighter from Maybelline Gigi Hadid, I am highlighting my brow bones. Cleaning your face before doing face makeup. Preparing my face, I am applying foundation. You can watch the suggested videos on the given link on how to apply foundation. Here I am contouring my face. If you want to know how to contour your face, just tap the suggested video. Here I am applying highlighter before setting my makeup with the setting powder. Add blush, highlighter and lipstick to get the finished look. So here's a colorful look for Holi. Hope you all enjoyed the video and do not forget to like and comment. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. And do try the look and let me know if the tutorial was helpful. Hope this Holi brings many smiles and colors to your face. Bye bye guys, love you so much.